What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy JayJay the Barber back with another video. Finally, you know what I'm saying. Today I got a tutorial for you guys. Just a bald taper fade on an afro with curly hair on top with the beard trim. And looking at it at the end of this video, we did the beard a little different. When I looked at it, I was like, dang, that really reminds me of Lonzo ball, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I called it the Lonzo ball cut. I mean, it's like the fade, just like Lonzo ball. The hair is just like how we used to have it when you had the afro, you know what I'm saying? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Y'all go do that, you know what I'm saying? If you gotta pause the video to go do that, go do that, you know what I'm saying? Go follow me on Instagram, dog. And subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And I know you guys ready to see this tutorial, so let's get into it, baby. What's good? So here's the before. And we're gonna start this taper in the back. Usually I start all my tapers in the back, just more comfortable to me. But so I'm going in with the wall detailers, making that first initial guideline. I'm giving it just a slight curve. It's barely slight, but the ends are gonna be like near the bottom of the ear. That's how I always go. The 5-star shaver, I'm getting that extra stubble. I want to get it as bald as possible under there, and when I'm getting to the top, I'm flicking out. So we're gonna start with the Andis Masters with the lever all the way open. And you could use any clipper. I just like using the Andis Masters because they just hit like butter. And then right here I close the lever. On the Andis Masters I probably close it to the 3rd notch. But my Andis Masters are a 0 gap, so that's just a little slight difference, and I can get that bottom line out with them usually. But basically all I did was lever open, 3rd notch, 2nd notch, 1st notch, and it should be blended out. And if it's not, then I'll go back in with the same outliners that I used to put it in, just making it look as even as possible. So now with the 3 guard on it open, just going up, flicking out, kind of debulking. I opened it and then I closed it, and then you can get a 2. But I actually looked at my desk and I didn't see the 2 right there. I just seen the 1, so I just went ahead and grabbed the 1, kind of flicked out a little better. But usually I'll get the 2, but for some reason I just chose to get the 1 open, and it all worked out. So now we're here on the side taper, and it's basically the same thing. And right here I'm cutting the top of the beard down to the corner of the eye. That's my markings when I do that right there. Balding it out. Lever open. And that's me getting the bottom line out. It didn't come right out with the master, so had to use that. Now I just noticed that when I was fading, I stretched the skin, and I'll show you that on the other side. But yeah, same thing, and I'm going down to lay the hairs down. one guard. When you're using the one guard on the Afro, just flick out, bro. You don't have to go into no two. You might cut too much off with the two. Just use that one and flick out. And here's that zero guard to bring the top of the fade and the bottom of the fade together. Alright, so check it out, bro. Right here, you can see my left hand is stretching the skin. What that does for me, it helps me get my face tighter. It helps me get smaller things. When you stretch the skin, it's almost like you're zooming in to your project. You're zooming in to what you're doing, and you can hit fewer hairs at one time and get more detailed into it. When you stretch the skin out, you make your canvas bigger, and you know, it really helps to stretch the skin. And then I record on a Canon G7X, and after so long, it'll just stop recording. So you'll kind of see it skip once when I'm hitting it with the zero guard. But the fade will pretty much already be done. Pretty much already be in there. So here we go, tapering off the hairline, clipper over comb. You could either do that or go in with the one guard. Some people go in with the one guard open and then just go down, hitting the tips of the hairline. But either one is fine, but I'm more comfortable with clipper over comb. And in my opinion, it just comes out smoother. And he wanted just a little bit off the top, so I'm just doing a freehand trim, taking just a little bit off, trying to keep it at that same length without it growing out too much and getting wild. A tip: make sure you're looking at both sides. Make sure you're looking in the mirror. That's me looking in the mirror right there. Make sure you're looking in the mirror. Make sure it's even. And with the beards, I always like to get the line by the ear and then the line under the neck. That helps me see how I want the curve to be. So I always make that first, and then I see how I want my curve to be. That's just something that helps me. Another tip, when you're lining up, bro, you want to make sure that your corners match, the line is straight. You want to make sure that the corners start and end at the same spot. And you want to make sure that the fades on both sides are at the same level, and that will guarantee you a nice haircut. And what you're gonna see in this video, his hairline is higher on that left side, but I started on the right side. So you're gonna see this side be a little higher at first, but then I hit the other side a little more, checking the mirrors, hit it some more, and then even later in the video, after I hit him with the razor, I still go back and hit it a little more and make it straight. So always just make sure you check and make sure, you know, everything is straight. That's what I've learned into really making your haircuts really stand out. It really stands out when everything's symmetrical and even. Like you can see right there, it's a little bit higher. So this was what I was meaning when I said make sure the fades on both sides. I checked my fades. This fade looked a little darker, so I'm going out to lighten it up just a little bit so it can match the other side. So now I'm going in with the razor, just getting the extra stubble. Sponge them up, get some curls in there. And see right here, I'm going back in that line. Standing behind them to see it better. Looking through the mirror. So yeah, here goes the Lonzo Ball haircut, y'all, when he had the fro. Watching this, bro, just really was like, damn, bro, that really does look like Lonzo Ball's haircut. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Once again, please go follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? JayJay the 96. And I'll see you guys next time.